tapat. Nakuha ni number 00, pass to Francis. Francis dribbling the ball. Out of bounds, bola sa tapat. Upaw, not good. Francis, not good again. Rebound by number 13, pass to number 9. Nakuha niya ang bola. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 27. Pull up double. Good for 2 points. Number 27. Negers dribbling the ball. Negers dribbling the ball. Pass to Upaw. Grabe, ginaning Upaw eh. Upaw dribbling the guarded the ball eh. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Intercept by Negers. Negers dribbling the ball. Pass to Colas. Pass to Colas lang gihapon. Paxit. Walis Cruz ang score. Intercept by Upaw. Natai si Upaw. Pass to number. Lang-import. Number 11. Kita mo na. Not good. Rebound by number 27. Not good. Iya lang yapon. Not good yapon. Iya na akon lang. Good for 2 points. Number 27. Negers dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 9. Negers. Pass to Upaw. Not good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 9. Intercept by Nieves. Pass to number 27. Kulas dribbling the ball. Pass to Upaw, teardrop shot, basket. 4-3, pabor sa Mabini. 8 minutes. 4-4 muna. Negers. Loy. Pass to Francis. Francis dribbling the ball. Negers again. Duka sana. Negers scored for 2 points. Negers. 7 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time. 27. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Long 3 for 3. Basket. Alab. Jampol. Kipasakay sa 3. Naunsa na bulay. Negers dribbling the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Negers spin move. Hala, oy. Jump ball. 5, 4, 3. Hala, grabe ha, Upaw eh. Lisod yung kayo mapungan, Upaw eh. Oh, not good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27, ako na lang. Good for 2 points. Number 7. 27 day. 9-8 pabor sa Mabini. 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. But Negers, aliyop. Litad ang binatinaing ko lang sa to'y. Number 00 for 3. Put it in. Basket. 12-8 pabor sa Mabini. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Nieves. Nieves long 3. Air ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27 dribbling the ball. Number 27 pass to number 9. Good for 2 points. Number 9. 14-8 pabor sa Mabini. 6-10 pabor. Out. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Negers dribbling the ball. Pass to Kulas ni Dopak City. Upaw. Good for 2 points. Upaw. 14 Jays pabor sa Mabini. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Ang import. O hype sa mo diha. Asa mo mga pasa na. Kita mo ano? Oh, sana. Gahit na mo eh. Negers dribbling the ball. Kulas, not good. Rebound by number 27. Up. Foul, Upaw. Substitution. In, out, in. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 9 foul. Oy! Gift. Alam mo, natipan. Sapa ang mugi ka niya. Tipan. Hapak ng bola. Number 9 pass to number 27. Pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound by Negers. Negers ka nagdali. Negers dribbling the ball. Pass to Upaw. Pass to Itchoy but not good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 dribbling the ball. Guarded by Upaw. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Perimeter shot. Puts it in and score. 18 J's favor sa Mabini. 14 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Wala Francis. Pass to Itchoy. Itchoy. Puts it in. Basket. 18-12 favor sa Mabini. 4 minutos og 30 segundos. Number 9 dribbling the ball guarded by Upaw. Number 9. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Francis, pass to Itchoy. Itchoy, not good. Upaw. Upaw, pass to number 27. Number 27, intercept by Negers. Negers dribbling the ball. Nabukog. Wala! Ataya, Upaw eh. Upaw for 3. Basket! Good for 3. Upaw. 20-15. Pabor sa Mabini. 3 minutos o 50 segundos. Number 27, good for 2 points. Number 27, number 13, dribbling the ball. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Francisco Bagalolo. Dangita kam iya lang hapon. Pass to Upaw. Upaw alay. Upaw. Sige Upaw ay. 22-17. Pabor sa Mabini. 3 minutos o 20 segundos. Kazama Creep. Negers dribbling the ball. Wala ay kalutaw. Mura mag 120 ms. Who's foul rep? Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Mabini. First throw. Bonus throw day. Out of bounds. Pula sa Mabini, 3 minutes. Wala ang import. Intercept by number 13. Ay! Upaw. Grabe yan. Nanikamo to pa. May na lang ni pang picture ba? Pang di. Pang di. Klaro kayo. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Wala. Kita ang ito goal. Uy! Number 9, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0 for 3. Not good. Rebound by Itchoy. Itchoy. Pass to Jampol. Halagi pasas ka Uba. Kontra. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Upaw og Nicolas. Uy, foul. Kulas. Upaw day. Upaw. Foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Tapat. 2 minutos o 15 segundos ang nahabilin sa first quarter. 22-21 favor sa Mabini. Pass to number 21. Yes. Wala Francisco Magalolo. Nga nagdali. Hala oy. Not good. Upaw kanako. Shot clock 12. Francis, 9, 8, 7, wait, foul. Who's foul rep? Number 9. Who's foul rep? Number 9. First personal foul, second team foul, ang sungot. Substitution, in, out. Out, in, ang sungot Mabini day. First throw. Bonus throw. Out of bounds, Bula sa Mabini. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Wala, ang import. Out of bounds, Bula sa Mabini. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 0, not good. Rebound by Negers. Negers dribbling the ball. Asa relax lang part. Wala mo yung chat lang. 1 minute na lang ang nabilin sa first quarter. Hala, oy, what a connection. But not good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Nakabuhi. Why? Kabuhi. Yun. 47 seconds remaining time. Kazama trip. Number 13, dribbling the ball. 45 seconds remaining time. Francis pass to Itoy. Gibili ni Francis. Nabukob. Lah, gilang katan. Ala. Kita gato gilang katas now. Not good. Rebound by Negers. Negers dribbling the ball. 25 seconds remaining time. Pass to Kulas. Pass to Francis. Why ayo ginagawa? Katuna niya. 20 seconds. Puts it in. Basket. 25-23. Favor sa Mabini. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the first quarter ang score Guales by 5. Number 00 for 3. Not good. Rebound by Guyot. Oh! Pass to number 14. Kern dribbling the ball. Kern dribbling the ball. Pass to Algin. Oh, wow. Algin, tanawang topi. Oh, tanawang toping Algin. Oh, wow. Oh, walang. Good for 2 points. 20 City by 5. Pabor sa tapat. Hala. Janley. Oh, buwagaw ukuho ko. Good for 2 points. Janley. 29 by 5. Pabor sa tapat. Number 9 dribbling the ball for 3. Basket. 28-29. Pabor sa tapat. 9 minutes na lang ang nabilin sa second goal. Uy! Lob! Grabiham sa kasapan guys! 31-28. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 00. Number 00 team drop shot. Not good. Rebound by number 9. Number 14. Kern. Kape dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Kape. 33-28. Pabor sa tapat. 8 minutos o 35 segundos. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Gilamon na kayo na. Pass to number 7. Oh, awan to pay. Dua warning apong bus mo marana. Lah, grabe ang kinaning import ka na. Sakto pinayon. Good for 2 points. Janley. Tratay City. 28. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 dribbling. Oh, block by Hansoy. Oh. Loon ako na simon. Hala, Hansoy. Hala, oh, guyot. Oh, pumanda sa guyot ko no, haya. Not good. Rebound by number 00. Number 00, stop and pop for 3. Pass it. Puts it in. 31-30 City. Pabor sa tapat. Upaw dribbling the ball. Pass to number 17. Ay, why klaro. Oh, sus. Sayangas to pi. Wanit ang apong bus mo. Mardila kay go. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Ay, stop and pop for 3 again. Patay ang tiki. Secure the ball. Kuha ni Kape dribbling the ball. Bukog. Kuha ni number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball, guarded by foul Janley. Ay, panambag part. Mura ka tapay. First personal foul, first team foul. Tapat. 6 seconds remaining time. 14 shot lang. Number 9 dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Alang import. Kinintos na part. Anadkan. Uy. Ay, sakay Kape. Foul Kape. First personal foul, second team foul, tapat. First throw. Not good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Kazama trip. Good. For 1 point, number 21. 32-37, pabor sa tapat. Jampol dribbling the ball. For 3, buak ang hubon. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 pass to number 9 for 3, basket. Patay mo stress oy. Wah, Jampol dribbling the ball. Jampol dribbling buhok. Pass to Kape, pass. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Hala, nakabuhi. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Trantay City 40. Pabor sa tapat. Awa. Uy, Juan Jesus. Bahar. Number 9 for 3. Basket. Guales 40. Opaw dribbling the ball. Pass to Algin. Wag yun. Bola sa
Time out.
Mabini. Time out Mabini. Ang score Guales 40. Pass to number 21. Dribbling. Hey, nakabuhi. Foul out of bounds. Bola sa tapat. Hansoy, pass to Jampol dribbling the ball, pass to Kape. Alaoy mo silpi pamasto nga. Bola sa Mabini. Ang score 42-40. Pabor sa tapat. Algin, number 00 guarded by Algin and Janley. Pass to Kape. Kape dribbling the ball. Kape pass to Algin. Algin pass to Jampol. Awakop tempo, but not good. Rebound by 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Nangita kapasahan. Pass to number 21. Number 21 nangita kapasahan. Put it up, not good. Out of bounds, bola sa tapat. Substitution, in, out, in. In, out, in. Not good. Rebound by Hansoy. Hansoy dribbling the ball. Behind the back. Wala, oy. Taro nga sa nagdakupay. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Nang itakapasahan. Pass to 00. 12 seconds for 3. Long 3. Not good. Rebound by Negers. Dribbling the ball. Nang itakapasahan. Pass to Algin. Basket. 44-40 pabor sa tapat. 3 minutos o 20 segundos sa second quarter. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound by Hansoy. Out of bounds. Bola sa Corridas. Mabini day. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9 for 3. Basket. Put for 3. 43-44. Pabor sa tapat. Negers dribbling the ball. Basket. Good for 2 points. Negro. 43-46. Out ka na. Usba. Kaon. Usba. Usba. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Teardrop shot. Basket. 45-46 pabor sa tapat. 2 minutos o 40 segundos. Algin nindot og tope. Pass to Janley. Good for 2 points. Janley. Di na kita siya kita ni. Kaas kita maglaway na. Lao Alden. Patik. Nagtupi. Awa. Tik kay tupi anak. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. First team foul. Yay. Nakanindot nagikog lingkuranan eh. Kasama Crip. Ura minutos na lang ang nabilin sa second quarter. Good. So to part. Kasama number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball guarded by Janley. Kuha na po ni number 9. Number 9 basket card. Sigo yun. First personal foul. Third team foul, tapat ang score. 47-50 pabor sa tapat. Bonus throw, ready for rebound. Not good, rebound by Negers. Negers dribbling the ball. Negers dribbling the ball. Basket. 52-47 pabor sa tapat. Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Guarded po. Hey! Hapit tingin mo mga tagak niya! Not dead. Rebound by Negers. Out of bounds bola sa Mabini. Oh, tapat. 45 segundos. 40 segundos. 15 seconds to shot. Kape, halagi kuha pa sila, but not good. Rebound, out of bounds, bola sa Mabini. 30 segundos. 30 segundos. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 00. Not good. Rebound by Negers. Negers dribbling the ball. 20 segundos. Negers dribbling the ball. 15 seconds remaining time. Negers foul. Who's foul? Rep. Number 27. Number 11. First throw. Not good. Second throw. Ready for rebound. Good. 47-53 pabor sa tapat. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of second quarter. Hang score 53-47 pabor sa tapat. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Guarded by not good. Rebound who secure the ball. Negers dribbling the ball. Negers dribbling the ball guarded by number 9. Negers dribbling the ball. Step back but not good. Rebound by nagtapok mo day. Shot lock. Shot lock 10, 9. Alay, grabe ha Francis oh. Ipang itim na naklaro kayo. Itim na na. 0-0 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Nakita kapasahan. Pass to number 0-0. Shot lock. Shot lock 12. 10. 9. Basket. Ala, Chad. Papalak. Hindi ka palak. Oh, ikaw din. Ikaw na. Pass to Colas. Basket. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 guarded by Kulas. Number 00 guarded by Kulas. Ako na lang huloy. But not good. Rebound by Ichoy. Pass to number 28. Number 28 Chan. 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 Uy! Not good. Araw pass pula. Uy, may klaro eh. Boss, obo. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Nangita kapasahan. Uy, foul. Counted. Who's foul, rep? 28. 28, foul, Chad. First personal foul, first team foul. Tapat. Bonus throw, ready for rebound. Good. 53-58, pabor sa tapat. 5 na lang. Kulas, pass to Negers. Negers. Sometime. Good for 2 points. Negro. 53-60, pabor sa tapat. Number 00, dribbling the ball. Number 00, dribbling the ball. Nangita kapasahan, guarded by Kulas in the prop. Pass to number 9. Number 9, 12 seconds to shoot. Whoop. Out of bounds, Bula sa 10 seconds to shoot. 10 Paul Romeo 14 balik. 10 seconds to shoot. 8. Whoop. 8 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Block. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Not good. Rebound by number 9. Iyalang yapon. Good for 2 points. Number 9, 55-60. Pabor sa tapat. 6 minutes and 51 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Kulas dribbling the ball. Kulas taxi it. Good for 2 points. Kulas. 62-55. Pabor sa tapat. 6 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Number 00. Pull up. Jumper for 3. Kuya Pantanan. Kuha ni number 13. Francis dribbling the ball. Not good. Iya lang yapon. Not good yapon. Number 21 dribbling the ball. Kita kebesahan. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 9 basket. Ang score 57-62 pabor sa tapat. 6 minutes na lang.
Oy, technical lang. Oh, ang pito. Good, may pito, good.
Pass to number 00. Number 00 basket. Uyog akol. Number 00. Oh, Negers dribbling the ball. Negers. Not good. Rebound by. Ala. Not good. Rebound by Francisco. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21 dribbling the ball. Nangita kebesahan. Number 21 nangita kebesahan. Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Not good. Rebound by. Good for 2 points. Number 27. Not good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 dribbling the ball. Number 00. Ako na lang but not good. Rebound by number 27. Opa. Foul by Kulas. First personal foul, first team foul. Ang second team foul, tapat. Bang. Puspusan, buanggap, puspusan, Beb. Puspusan lagi na. Usba. Ang score 62-61. 62? Tanaw daw daki. 62-61. Oh, pasap. It's raining men. Good for 2 points. 1 point. Number 27. Wali 66 ang score. Ang 62 ay Negers for 3. basket.
Mali gamit. Gamit ka mo tao. So kana game.
Saisintay 5, Saisintay 2.
Duwag sakit.
Number 00 dribbling the ball. Laka kusog tigis uwan. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Guarded by Golas. Steal drop shot. Not good. Rebound by number 25. Number 25 down number 28. Chad. Good for 2 points. Chad.
Bilag.
She's fine as soon as you put away back when.
Kusog ng uwan.
Number 00 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Number 11 import na do. Wag yapon. La, igo ka rosiko na. Igo ka puwang patay ka.
Kadagma ito eh.
Number 27. Hoy, upaw. Upaw pass to Itchoy for 3. That's good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 pass to number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Nangitag basahan pass to Hoop. Secured Hoop. Kickball committed by number 3. Bulas sa ta. Bulas. Saan eh? Bulas sa dapat. Number 11. Number 27 pass to Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Puts it up, puts it in, and score. 2 minutos o 20 segundos. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Not blocked by Negros. Pass to Aljin. Aljin dribbling the ball. Aljin. Hoy, gipik. Good for 2 points. Aljin. Sa City tayo, no? Pabor sa tapat. 2 minutes na lang ang habilin sa third quarter. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling. Way! Number 9. Whoop, side step. Iwan si Aljin. Number 27 dribbling the ball. Number 27 dribbling the ball. Uy, what a pass! But, wak, kahuman! Number 00 pass to number 21. Guarded by Upaw. Ogni Itchoy. Pass to number 00. Keep. Intercept. Nakuha lang gapon. Number 9 for 3. Not good. Rebound by Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Negro dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Negros. 64-73. Power sa tapat. Is stepping on the line. One minute na lang ang nahabilin sa third quarter. Itchoy dribbling the ball. Teardrop shot. Not good. Rebound by Upaw. Upaw. Step back. Not good. Rebound by Kulas. Kulas dribbling the ball. Kulas. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, good for 2 points. Upaw. 35 seconds remaining time. 4-3, not good. Not good. Rebound by Negro. Negro gyapon. Negro pass to Upaw. Good for 2 points. Upaw. 15 seconds to shoot. Hola, but not good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of third quarter. Ang score 79-64 pabor sa tapat. Pass to Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Spin move. Pass to Kulas, not good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 guarded by Upaw. Half time, not good. Rebound by Aljin. Aljin dribbling the ball. Aljin dribbling the ball. Aliyop gituklo. Kuha Upaw. Kanda ko. Kuha ni Aljin. Aljin dribbling the ball. Aljin, hala, oy. Itali na na. Walang tupi, patsik og tupi. Oh. Oscar. Ushba. Not good. Rebound by Algin. Algin, oh, awalang tupi, oh. Awalang tupi. Uskaro. Tayo team Uskaro. Kuha ni Algin. Ano kuha ni number 9? Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Uy. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Ow. Bagog to. First personal foul, first team foul. Tapat. Number 9 for 3-point shot. 67-81, pabor sa tapat. Upaw, pass to Kulas. Kiko, o tasa mo. Kuha lang yapong Kulas. Nang itagabasahan, pass to Upaw. Pugi, Mark. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, pass to number 9. Number 9, dribbling the ball. Hala! Ipasa kay si Negro, but not good. Kuha ni Kape. Kape, dribbling the ball. Kape! Napukog. Ala, Upaw. Kape, aginig Upaw eh. Upaw! Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Pinoy step. Good for 2 points. Number 00. Upaw dribbling the ball. Upaw! Nilupat. Alapat bagong tope. Push Huskar. But not good. Kuha ni number 9. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Teardrop shot. Basket. Good for 2 points. Number 9, 73-83. 73-83. Pabor sa tapat. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points. Pananannya Negro. Pass to number 00, dribbling the ball. Number 00 dribbling the ball, guarded by Kulas. Kulas tidak. Exit. Number 00 pull up for 3, not good. Kuwang Negro. Negro dribbling the ball. Wala, awang Huskar. Ala Huskar dito. Wow. Kita matog na reverse Huskar. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Oy, kapyot man Huskar. Lain na Huskar, oy. Paul Kuno Parkley. Algin. Second personal foul, second team foul. Tapat. Ang score, 71-88. Pabor sa tapat. Oh, Brown Negra. Pass to number 17. Number 17 dribbling the ball. Basket. Walang tupi. Pass to ate. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Not good. Rebound by Negro. Gelabay. Ala, walang tupi. Huskar dito. Huskar. Yung kaya yata. Oras, 4 minutos og 59 segundos. Pass, asan Kulas, pass to Jampol for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21, inakabasan. Pass to number 00. Number 00 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9, kuha ni Jampol dribbling the ball. Jampol. Good for 2 points. Upaw. 94-71, pabor sa tapat. Number 00, good for 2 points. Number 00, 73.
Uwan na po.
73.
Uwan na sad.
Oras, 3 minutos ug 20 segundos. Kulas, good for 2 points. Kulas. 96-73, pabor sa tapat. 3 minutes. Substitution. In, out, in. Foul, Jampol, Upaw. Third. Upaw. Kisa? Oh, Francis. I like. Oh, Francis, technical foul. First throw. 73-96, pabor sa tapat, 2 minutos ug 55 segundos. Pass to number 00, pull up for 3, not good, gilabay ni Negro. Awan, tope! Good for 2 points, Aljit. Genders nakuha ni number 9. Number 9 for 3, but not good. Rebound by Ipe. Kuha ni Kulas. 2 minutos na lang. Negro. Good for 2 points. Negro. Usang gatos 73, pabor sa tapat. Not good. Rebound. 1 minute and 35.
Lagi panglain na sila eh.
Thank you very much, team Mabini. See you on September 14 for our Festa.
Bibi ko.